Good morning, students. After a discussion about invitations, we will discuss about reply and respond. Reply and respond that you come to know about some points of respond and reply. You can reply with the subject of acceptance, the invitation, and in the second form, inability to accept the invitation. In this way, that you respond about invitation. In the first point, if you are invited by your close friend and relative, you are agreed, you have time to attend the program, that you also respond, you reply without any subject. You can respond directly. There is no any need of to mention the subject. Second, if you are a person doing at a higher post, like that you are the deputy commissioner, you are the principal, and you may be educationist, professor, any other. After that, you are invited by the club, by any school as a chief guest, as a judge. If you are able to attend the program, that you also just mention this subject, and with this subject you just mention that you mention acceptance the invitation. It means you are coming in this program, you are going to attend this program. After that, in the same way, on the social status, on the social platform, that if you are invited as a chief guest, as a judge, and you have no much time for this program due to previous engagements, that you also reply with inability to acceptance the invitation. In other way, that you also can mention decline the invitation, decline the invitation. Some previous engagements keep tied you at your place on that day. That's why you cannot attend this program, but you also just define, you also just informed about inability to accept the invitation. In this way, that you can reply and respond of any invitation. After that, format of reply and respond. First, sender address, then date, in which day that you are going to respond. For example, today, that you also write 10th July 2021. Then again space, before space, receiver address, receiver address. Then subject, space, subject. Ability to accept the invitation, acceptance the invitation. In other, inability to accept the invitation. One from both, after then sub space, then sir. You also just mention the content of your respond, your reply, and after that, at the last, if you are not able to accept the invitation, that you also just mention inconvenience is deeply regretted. And if you are accepted the invitation, that you also just mention thanking you once again for your kind invitation. उसके बाद लास्ट में yours faithfully and the name the person who is going to respond of the invitation. In this way, that you also reply any reply in the maybe form of acceptance and the maybe form of inability to accept the invitation. The example of this respond reply will be discussed in next lecture. Thanks and have a nice day.